Hello everybody, welcome. This is RamyaSadaivam here. This is a contest, so please listen very carefully. Only half of the painting of the celebrity is here in this video. If you have guessed the celebrity right, like this video, subscribe to my channel and mention the celebrity's name in the comment section. One of the loyal subscribers from the first 10 comments who have guessed the celebrity right will be chosen. This winner will have lifetime access to my portrait drawing course. It is 11 hours course with 50 chapters and 15 portrait drawing demos. It will help you enhance your portrait drawing skills several folds. I will give you one clue about this celebrity. He is an American known for his acting skills. So watch the video until the end. Do not skip any part. Let us not forget that this is a free video. So learn as much skills as possible. If you have guessed the celebrity right, do not waste your time. Mention his name in the comment section and win my portrait drawing course. Hurry up. All the best you guys. For more such portrait painting studies, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time.